Iowa, man, I don't even know where to start, honestly. It's been a great year overall, from deer hunting this past fall, harvesting 2 great bucks, one by myself and then one with my dad who made the trip over from Wisconsin, to turkey hunting this spring. Got to meet a lot of great people, hunted with a lot of great people. Took my buddy out for his very first turkey hunt, and very first hunt he was able to get one, so that was a moment we'll be able to share for a long time, and I'm really grateful for that. Just a lot of fun hunts this year in general. Ton of opportunities to get birds. Birds were very concentrated, so that was interesting. Different dynamic than what I'm used to, and like I said, just a lot of fun learning the state. But got a lot of great footage of wildlife and just everything. It was a blast. So with that being said, though, college is now done and I'm ready to get back to Wisconsin and do some hunts there. Got some plans to hunt with some people, so I think we'll be bringing some good hunts for you guys. So we'll see you then. Well, made it home, and it's the next day. Actually got out scouting this morning, and let's just say it wasn't disappointing. Plenty of birds everywhere. I checked, and yeah, I think we'll have options for the next few days. Got a couple tags, and I think we can get something on the ground. So we shall see.
Morning. It's May 13th, 4th week. Me and my buddy Ethan gonna go out and get on some birds we know very well. Been watching them the past month now. We got a plan drawn up on the whiteboard and we're ready to kill them. Little sprinkly this morning. Slight breeze.
I think if we get one this morning, it's gonna end up being 2 this morning. I think.
Oh yeah.
Very good chance of doubling up. When I saw these birds yesterday, every single one of them was a group. There wasn't a solo one, and I think Logan's kind of seen the same thing lately. So high hopes for the morning, regardless.
Definitely.
We're gonna go with the trusty Hen and Jake setup like we did last year.
Leave it back.
Yeah. We actually doubled up at this spot, so got another opportunity. We got multiple birds in here, so
Hopefully they don't recognize these birds here.
yeah, hopefully they don't recognize the Avianex half-strip Jake.
$300 on the two. 350 now.
Oh yeah. See you in the woods. I don't think you could see us at all. But we had just had that one gobble for the first time. He's probably within 200 yards. Pretty much where we expected him to be. So, pretty good. 518 right now. Check this out.
Woo, 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 woo!
There's another trail right here. They're probably gonna come. think they were gonna spook.
I don't know what they didn't like, but
Oh, dude, that was fast. They came in literally straight off the roost. That was so fast.
that was
Holy crap. I'm shaking. That was instant. Well, should we go try to get him? That could not have gone any smoother.
that was the fastest streak. We better go.
Yeah. Wow.
Let's go.
God dang. From the time he flew down, how fast do you think it was from the time he flew down?
10 minutes, don't you say?
Yeah, if that. As soon as I started calling, he was.
Yeah, he's
He was
covering
really-
ground like that.
That's what we thought last night. We saw him in the field, and we're like, well, they don't have any hens with them, so it'd be stupid not to come here.
That was insane.
I don't know. If we were set up a little differently, if we were set up at that, like, from just right there, we would have been able to double. There we go. Happened quick. Oh my. I'm shaking now. I didn't even have time to get nervous. That was
That
just.
was fast.
There's beard on him though. He was fired up for sure. We had a hen and a Jake decoy sitting here, and they came right around this point, and they were right about there. And Logan had a better view because he was just to the right, but I couldn't.
I could see their heads.
I couldn't.
Coming.
I could see him through the brush, but there was no way I was gonna make it through that brush. So I just told you to shoot because we didn't really have an option. I don't know why they would have spooked because we were tucked back in there, and I don't think they really were even looking at us. That was a little too easy, honestly.
That was.
What the heck? Yeah, we might go try somewhere else. I don't know. What do you think?
Might as well.
We got plenty of time. They're probably still gobbling on the roost somewhere. Give me some. And the Fox Pro mouth call. Not even a turkey call. Got it done.
Kiki run.
Yeah, they were fired up. We probably got some good audio of those guys. But yeah, let's get going. Killed that bird at 5:40. So I think that's Logan's quickest turkey hunt, he said, and probably closer to one of my fastest too. So
They're still dry. They didn't even hit the ground this morning.